Hi, this is Kim from Kiara Sky. Right now we're working on a dipping system using recycling system which has scoop, pour, and catch. First, after prepping the nails, you're going to place the hydrator bond to the entire nail to dehydrate the nail. Now we will begin with the dipping application. This is base. We will start with building the foundation with natural dip powder. Apply a thin layer. Flatten the brush to 3/4 of the nail. If the essentials go on thin, the powder goes on thin. I will continue with dipping powder D413 high maintenance using the recycling system. Reapply the base. We're going to apply a nice flush thin layer to 90% of the nail. Make sure to flatten the brush. The trick is to apply product and remove product. Place the finger on this mold, pull the scoop out, pick up some powder, and just pour it on. Constantly rotate the finger so you get both sides as well. You put the scoop back into this pocket. Dust off any excess and reapply the base to the entire nail from cuticle to free edge. Pull out the second scoop, which already was catching the excess powder, and rinse and recycle, and continue to pour that on. If you run out of powder, you can pick up some more and continue the process. Constantly rotate the finger so you get both sides, the edges. Put this back into the pocket. Flick off the excess, and there you have it. And rinse and repeat. Clean it out, very nice and easy.
Okay.
And we're going to encapsulate clear on top of our pastel colors. Reapply the base gel.
I will take you. Yeah. Go ahead.
Pick up some powder. Place the finger on the mold and pour. Rotate the finger so you get all sides. Like, as you can see in here, the second scoop inside, catch whatever powder you just pour on the client's nail. Apply the Seal Protect to the entire nail. Clean napkin, dry wipe the entire nail. This helps spread the product evenly and also remove any extra excess that might perhaps be picked up. When you apply your top, try to prevent polishing the product as if you were polishing lacquer. Make sure you flatten your brush and not leave a rounded brush. When the brush is rounded, there's too much product. Flatten the brush. Lay it down. 1, 2, 3. Do not overlap or go over those strokes. Apply nourishing oil to the nail. The famous Kiara Sky pastel colors, D409 and D413 high maintenance. Using the Kiara Sky recycling system, scoop, pour, and catch.